Hey everyone, as Xiaomi expands its lineup of wearables, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active has emerged as an affordable alternative to the recently released Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Certified by the Eurasian Economic Commission and the Standards and Industrial Research Institute of Malaysia, the Smart Band 9 Active is poised for a global launch. This new model will cater to fitness enthusiasts seeking essential health tracking features in an attractive, budget-friendly package. Compared to the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Active, the new Smart Band 9 Active introduces a refined design that embraces a modern, streamlined look. Instead of a protruding body, the fitness tracker features a pill-shaped lock button and a full-frame enclosure around the display. This design not only enhances the aesthetics, but may also contribute to durability and comfort during daily wear. The display itself is expected to retain a 1.47-inch size similar to its predecessor, making it compact yet large enough to display information clearly. With an anticipated battery life of up to 18 days, the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active offers a substantial improvement over the previous model's 14-day battery life. This enhancement ensures that users can go longer between charges, making it ideal for those with an active lifestyle who don't want the hassle of frequent recharging. Xiaomi has introduced 3 color options for the Smart Band 9 Active: pink, white, and black. While these are colors initially expected at launch, Xiaomi might add additional shades to expand options available to users. Customization extends to the interface as well, as Xiaomi is known for offering a wide selection of watch faces, allowing users to personalize their devices to suit their preferences and moods. Though official details are limited, the specifications are expected to align closely with those of the Smart Band 9, ensuring a rich set of features at a competitive price point. Here's what we anticipate from the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. If it follows in the footsteps of the Smart Band 9, the Smart Band 9 Active could sport a 1.62-inch AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1,200 nits, a resolution of 192 by 180 pixels 490. This vibrant display would ensure clarity and brightness, even in direct sunlight. With a 233 mAh battery, the Smart Band 9 can last up to 21 days in energy-saving mode and recharges in around an hour. The Smart Band 9 Active is likely to match or approach these numbers, depending on its battery capacity and display settings. Xiaomi's fitness trackers are known for their robust health monitoring, and the Smart Band 9 Active is expected to be no different. Enhanced heart rate accuracy and over 150 supported training modes are anticipated, alongside basic sensors for movement, ambient light, and advanced sleep tracking. The device will likely have a 5 ATM water resistance rating, allowing it to be used in water activities up to 50 meters deep. This is ideal for swimming or other water-based exercises, making the Smart Band 9 Active versatile enough for various sports. Typical of Xiaomi's fitness bands, the Smart Band 9 Active should include smartphone connectivity features like SMS and call notifications, music controls, and weather updates, allowing users to stay connected without needing to frequently check their phones. As Xiaomi continues to expand its ecosystem, the Smart Band 9 Active is positioned as a strong contender in the fitness tracker market, offering solid performance and value for budget-conscious consumers. For those interested in tracking their health and fitness, this model could be a welcome addition to Xiaomi's well-regarded lineup of wearables. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.